Garden of Eden, and the stories of Jesus, and the stories of aliens, coming to Earth, and the stories of of all of the great scientists, and technicians, and people doing great discoveries. And then when they die, everyone dies. And this is really the story of
zooming all together. Plus, you can zoom control it.
Well, you really need to strategically kind of light something, and make a background,
yes, exactly.
a middle distance, a foreground, and things like that. I just saw Bjork's new video, 3D video, and there's also a commercial for Spore.
In 3D as well?
Yeah.
Spore is a new.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So objects
let me
in the
see.
front, another object in the middle, and for perfection would be needed to be like end of the composition.
Right.
But this camera is only 2 times worse than IMAX camera. I just spent a whole week at the IMAX conference, and they shoot 4K. This camera allows us to shoot 2K, which means the movie which we can film with this camera, let's say it's called live food, because I'm filming David a lot, and live food is energy. Everything is like educational movie. All 3D movies are educational at IMAX.
So you need glasses though to see the.
We brought you the miracle.
All right.
Okay, this is artwork, right?
Show me more.
How did you think of 3D for the first time? What did push you to make these pictures in 3D?
My friend Adam Jones from the rock group Tool, he's a big 3D, camera guy. He's made 3D photographs for 10 years or more.
Just photographs, right?
Yeah, just
Wow,
photographs.
his work is incredible.
He wanted to do the film, but it was prohibitively expensive, to do. But since then, it's becoming more and more popular, And I saw Bjork's beautiful music video and the commercial for Spore. There's a couple great artists that just met who've been doing more 3D animation. So, and this project, the Vicarious video, is all 3D. And we've been doing these kind of primitive, stereoscope kinds of things. You look through here and see the 3D effects. And this won a Grammy. Yeah, this was the work that I did with Tool. This is one of my paintings, and so
It's great music.
yeah. Oh, it's fantastic. The music's great, but the design for the album won a Grammy.
Really?
Yeah. So you can kind of look through here and see the. So I've been working with other computer artists to help bring my work into the 3D world, and it'd be wonderful to do that. Experiment.
You see this work.
Is it 2D graphics or 3D graphics?
Well, this is all computer model, but it's not made as a 3D movie. We wanted to, but in the end we didn't. But I've always wanted to develop this world.
And the lead figure has all the biochemistry of the body stamped into the lead, see? And it goes through the body, mind, and spirit. So it goes, the body is the systems of the body, the different systems of the body. And then you have the races, the different, like the Chinese and the, that's like the mind, because it's like where we make distinctions, where we say, I'm not a woman, or I'm not a man, I'm not black, I'm not, you make distinctions between yourself and other people through the physical body, and that's kind of the socio-political mind. And then you have becoming the spiritual, all the esoteric systems, like the auras and the acupuncture meridians, the points, the things you can't see that are systems of the body. And then they die. Everyone dies. And they become a great spiritual teacher. So they hear, it's like a comic book or a graphic novel. They come out on a path and they see a book and they start a practice and they have an opening, spiritual opening, and they take the teaching and they put it in their heart, and then they become a teacher. So that's kind of like the flow of this particular work. This is sort of, it's a painting about that we all project what we see. Everything around us is projected from our own mind. We're living in a projection of our own mind. All these different lamas and people's teachers. Not necessarily. Some teachers were here, but not necessarily. People leave these here and save my planet. Save my planet.
From the flat screen.
And so it's been really worthwhile. Save it, or you go without a wife. You come with your wife. She'll love to dance too. And what we do is we have a ceremony here with chairs. We set it all up. And at 9:30, when the ceremony is over, we go over.
And then they just...
And they don't dance. They just but we also, Brazil, we also painted from audiences. Saint Albert and the LSD Revelation Revolution.
Right, he lives all his life to prove that LSD is good for...
Well, he was a chemist. He worked for Sandoz all his life, a chemist in Switzerland.
Right.
And he lived a very long life. He lived till he was 102. He died just last... Really, you can get really stuck